Hi, today I'm ZTE Nubia Red Magic 7S and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's hold for a while our device screen with the finger, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and after that we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar calendar widget. For example, we can use here the full month view or the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and after that drag it to our home screen. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it, and after that you can make it just bigger or smaller. If you want to move it here on the screens, on between the screens, or if you want to create the new screens with a widget, you just should hold it and after that drag it. And to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.